Welcome back to Review Mobile, your trusted source for the latest smartphone reviews and tech updates. Today, we're diving into Motorola's latest flagship, the Motorola Edge 60 Ultra. Packed with premium features, top-tier performance, and an elegant design, this phone is aimed directly at users who want cutting-edge tech without compromise. Design and display. The Edge 60 Ultra boasts a sleek, curved-edge design with a premium glass back and aluminum frame. It's not just about looks. The phone features a 6.7-inch QLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution, offering vibrant colors and ultra-smooth scrolling. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing, this display delivers a truly immersive experience. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Edge 60 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 processor, paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. This setup ensures blazing fast performance for multitasking, high-end gaming, and everything in between. Running on Android 14 with a near-stock experience, Motorola promises 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches. Camera system. Motorola has seriously upgraded the camera game with a 50MP main sensor featuring OIS, a 50MP ultra-wide macro lens, and a 64MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The selfie camera is also a standout at 50MP, perfect for crisp photos and high-quality video calls. AI enhancements and 8K video support round out a flagship-level camera system. Battery and charging. The Edge 60 Ultra houses a 4,500 mAh battery, which might sound modest, but the phone is optimized to last all day with smart power management. Even better, it supports 125W wired charging, 50W wireless charging, and 10W reverse charging, making it one of the fastest charging phones in its class. Connectivity and extras. Expect all the premium features: 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. The device is also IP68 water and dust resistant, adding to its flagship appeal. Final thoughts. The Motorola Edge 60 Ultra is a serious contender in the flagship space, offering top-tier performance, stunning cameras, and industry-leading charging speeds. It strikes a solid balance between power and polish, making it a smart choice for tech enthusiasts and power users alike. Stay tuned to Review Mobile for more detailed reviews and comparisons. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.